Come with me to a world shaped by gentle hands. This is Newfoundland, but not as you know it. Imagine every hill, tree, and wave sculpted from soft clay. The colors are muted, the light is warm. Here, peace fills the air. We step onto a smooth green clay path. The world is still. No noise, no rush. The air smells of sea and earth. Tiny clay flowers line the path, each a work of art. The sun, a soft yellow sphere, glows gently above. Cottony clouds drift across a pale blue sky. Time slows down here. We breathe deeply, letting worries fade. This world invites us to notice the small details. The beauty is in the simplicity. The sun's glow wraps us in calm. The quiet is comforting, like a warm blanket. Here, nature's gentle power soothes us. Let's continue, ready to discover more wonders in this peaceful clay land. Our path leads to the sea where the waves whisper. The cliffs rise dark and strong, marked by the artist's touch. They've watched countless sunrises, silent guardians of the coast. We stand at the edge, the wind a gentle breath. Below, the ocean stretches endlessly, calm and deep blue. A tiny clay boat bobs in a cove dwarfed by the vastness. The cliffs remind us how small we are and how beautiful the world can be. Green moss and white clay birds cling to the rocks, frozen in peace. Sunlight sparkles on the water like scattered diamonds. We sit on a smooth rock, letting the sounds of waves and wind wash over us. There's nothing to do but be present. The cliffs share their strength. The ocean, it's calm. We leave this place feeling refreshed and centered. We turn from the sea into a forest of tall green clay trees. Light filters through branches, painting the ground in golden shadow. The air is cool, scented with pine. Silence deepens as we walk, each step soft on the clay path. Bright red mushrooms and a steel clay squirrel add color and life. The forest feels like a secret sanctuary, branches arching overhead. We touch the rough bark, feeling grounded and safe. In a small clearing, a blue clay stream flows slowly over smooth stones. We dip our fingers in, cool, refreshing, not wet but soothing. This forest is a place to reconnect, to find quiet strength. We leave, feeling calm and ready for what's next. The path leads to a tiny village by the sea. Colorful clay houses cluster along the shore, smoke curling from chimneys. The village is still, peaceful in the afternoon light. Fishing nets and lobster traps rest neatly on the dock. Life here is simple, shaped by tides and seasons. We walk to the dock's edge, feet dangling above calm water. Bright boats bob gently, a clay seagull stands watch. The air smells of salt and old wood, comforting, familiar. The sun sets, painting the sky in orange and pink reflected on the water. There's a sense of belonging, of quiet community. We sit, soaking in the warmth and peace. As day ends, we return to the cliffs for sunset. The sky glows with soft clay colors, orange, pink, purple. The sun melts into the ocean, the world bathed in gentle light. We stand quietly, watching, listening to the silence. The first star appears, then more, tiny white specks in the blue. The island sleeps under a blanket of stars. Our journey is over, but the peace remains. We remember the cliffs, the forest, the village, the sunset. This clay world has refreshed our spirits. Let's carry this calm with us, finding quiet moments in our own lives. Nature's beauty is always there, waiting to offer peace and strength.